So we are now here at the Hornblower Niagara Cruises. Because we have VIP access pass, we skip all the long queues. We went straight directly from the elevator to the boat area. Wow, we're getting closer to the USA side of Niagara Falls. We need to be waterproof, so we'll definitely get those red ponchos. Hornblower Niagara Cruises is a 20-minute voyage to the falls boat tour. It is the official supplier to Niagara Parks, providing Canada's only Niagara Falls boat tour experience. This legendary boat tour takes place aboard the state-of-the-art Hornblower catamaran.
A few moments later.
This boat is equipped with all necessary and proper firefighting and life-saving equipment. In the event of an emergency, please remain calm. An alarm will sound and you will be directed by our crew members on how to proceed. For your safety, please do not stand on the benches. Do not climb, sit, or stand on the rails. If you have children, please keep them in your sight at all times. Children must walk, not run. The decks may become wet and slippery. When moving about the vessel, please watch your step and hold on to the handrail.
We are now about to get closer as possible to the Niagara Falls, USA and Canada side.
The average rate of erosion of Niagara Falls was as much as 1 meter per year until the early 1950s. The erosion of Niagara Falls concerns of the hydroelectric. This waterfall and the road are the only waterfall at a depth of 750 kilometers. And the difficulty based on the fall.
These brown foams below Niagara Falls is a natural result of tons of water plummeting into the depths below. It is not dangerous. The brown color is clay, which contains suspended particles of decayed vegetative matter.
Where are they? They're right here. Oh.
Thank you so much for watching my Canada travel vlogs. If you want to see more, just click the subscribe button and follow me on my social media accounts. Peace.